Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a task directly inside a mind map in Clickup. Mind maps are great for brainstorming ideas visually and then turning those ideas into actionable tasks. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and projects are available. Now navigate to the spacer folder where you want to use mind maps. At the top of the task area, click on the view dropdown and select mind map. If you don't see it right away, you may need to add it as a new view. Once the mind map opens, you'll see a blank canvas or existing nodes depending on your setup. To create a task in the mind map, click on the plus icon or double-click anywhere on the canvas to add a new node. By default, this creates an idea node. Now, convert that node into a task by selecting it and choosing the option to turn it into a task. ClickUp will ask where you want the task to live, such as a specific list or folder. Once converted, the node becomes a real ClickUp task. You can click on it to open task details, add a description, assign it to team members, set a due date, priority, or add checklists and custom fields. This way, your brainstorming instantly turns into structured work. You can also create connections between tasks by dragging lines between nodes. This helps visualize dependencies or relationships between tasks, which is really helpful during planning sessions. Rearranging nodes keeps everything clean and easy to understand. Another useful tip is mixing ideas and tasks together. You can keep some nodes as ideas and only convert the important ones into tasks. This keeps your mind map flexible while still actionable. Once you're done, everything syncs automatically. The tasks created in the mind map will appear in your lists, board view, and other ClickUp views. No extra steps needed. And that's it. Creating tasks in a mind map in ClickUp is a powerful way to move from ideas to execution without breaking your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.